Now that you're signed up for fiber internet, you're probably wondering when service will be available. This is a 5-year process from 2022 through 2026, requiring construction of an all-new infrastructure to get service to your home or business. Someone will be first and someone will be last, but in the end, we promise to deliver a state-of-the-art service that will transform your rural experience. Everything starts with walking out the territory so we can engineer and design the backbone network, which we call Mainline Construction. The mainline fiber optic cables are either buried along the rights-of-way or connected to existing or new power poles. Throughout this phase, we are also dealing with many different entities to secure any necessary permits that allow us to proceed with construction. The final stage of mainline construction is splicing together the fiber optic strands. Now, once the backbone network is constructed, we begin drop construction, which involves installing fiber optic cable from the backbone to a network interface device box installed on the side of your house. This is called your service drop. If the construction involves placing cables underground, we call Miss Dig, who sends a representative to your property to mark underground public utilities. As soon as you see those flags appear, please mark any underground sprinklers, pet fences, secondary electric, and any other private underground facilities on your property. After the service drop is built, the splicing crew will visit to make the final splice to the mainline fiber and prepare the fiber line for installation. And once the line is activated, you receive that call from one of our solutions agents to schedule your home installation. This appointment typically takes 1 to 3 hours, depending on the number of services we're connecting. While at your home, our technician also will set up your Smart Hub account access. This is our free online and mobile platform through which you manage your account and service experience. We'll walk you through the entire process and make sure you're absolutely comfortable and ready to roll before leaving your installation appointment.